Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a quick and easy egg fried rice. I have 4 eggs. Just added some black pepper, some salt, some parsley flakes, some pepper flakes. We will beat this up really good. Now to my wok, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of pure sesame seed oil and I'll be frying this egg. Okay, you guys can do it like this or you can scramble the egg. Either way, it's good. Now I'll be dicing this egg because we'll be adding this to our rice. So I cleaned my wok and I just added about 3 tablespoons of pure sesame seed oil. I just added some mixed vegetables. I'm re-adding my eggs. Give that a really good stir. And you cook this for about 3 minutes. I'm adding about 2 cups of basmati long grain rice. And this is already cooked. I'm adding some sweet soya sauce, and that is 2 tablespoons. I'm adding some green onions, some salt, and some chicken bouillon. Make sure to taste guys. You can adjust your season as you go, and there you have it. This is served with some sweet and sour chicken. The link for this will also be in the description box. Do enjoy. Bye-bye.